Good day all. Welcome to Bridge LCS. In this video, we are going to be discussing about the settings module. Go to settings. The first option that we have here is users. In this part, you can create and manage your employees along with their user rights. Choose employees. Click on the new employee button available at the top. These are the details you need to fill to create an employee. If the employee is an user of Bridge LCS, then select the login permission to yes and choose the role as user. Set email ID and password to login and fill in the remaining details. Make sure you fill the mandatory details in all the sections and click on save. To modify the data, you can right click and choose edit. If the employee is leaving the company, you can mark them to terminate by clearing all the pending salaries. Next part is user rights. Here you can assign the rights to each and every user using the customize button. This is how you can enable and disable the desired features. Click on save once the selection is made. This section is followed by the owner rights section. Here you can allocate the rights to users based upon the actions performed. For example, if you enable the created by option under customers, then this user can only access the customers created by the particular user. Similarly, the other features work. Next section is backup. You can backup the data and download the zip file from here whenever required. Next is bank section. Bank section allows you to create and prioritize the bank accounts. Click on new bank and fill in the required details. Final part is settings, where you can customize the invoice pattern, columns, and complete your company profile, etc. Here you have multiple invoice templates. You can customize the header and footer. You can upload the logo and stamps. Once all the required selections are made, click on save. Next part is column settings, wherein you can add and remove the columns to be present in the invoice as per your requirement. In financial settings, you can set the financial year and the currency used. Tax settings helps you to set the tax according to the regulations, and you can add and modify the services according to your need. Company profile segment has set of basic fields to complete the profile, which is then followed by the automated email settings. In automated email settings, you can enable and disable the feature as per your requirement. Accordingly, the automated emails will get activated. If you want to deactivate this in future, you can simply disable the required option. Final part here is the custom email settings. Here you can set the email ID and password and other required details. The email ID provided here acts as the ID through which customer receives email. Once all the required functions are performed, click on save. These are the features the settings section holds. I hope you would have found these features useful. Thank you for watching.